Welcome, dear teachers, to BB Connect, our advanced and future-ready ERP platform designed for educational institutions. In this video, we'll learn how to add assignments for students in BB Connect. Let's get started. After you log in using your credentials, look for the three-line menu button at the top left of your dashboard. Click on it to open the main menu. From the available options, select Online Course. Here you'll see all courses assigned to you. Locate and select the desired course or subject. Inside the course, you'll find a section with brief details about the subject. To add an assignment, click on Add Section. Since we're creating an assignment, name this section Assignment. Scroll down under Assignments, you'll see several buttons including a plus button. Click the fourth button with the icon Lab Flask, which is specifically for adding assignments. You'll now enter the assignment details. Enter the title of your task in the assignment title field. Set the starting date of the assignment. Enter the deadline for submission. Fill in the total marks allotted for the assignment. Provide an overview or requirements in the description panel. Once you've completed all details, scroll down and click Save. Your new assignment will appear in your list, showing the title, assignment date, submission date, and key informations ready for your students. That's it. You've successfully added an assignment in BB Connect. For any additional support, please visit our website at www.brightbee.co.in. You can also email us using the address provided or simply drop a comment and our team will reach out to you. At BB Technologies, we are dedicated to partnering with educators, parents, and students, helping everyone succeed together. Thank you.